Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 412th episode and the third episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Today I'm going to share with all of you a classic Southern side dish and one of my favorites growing up. We're going to make baked macaroni and cheese casserole. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And it's going to have 4 types of cheese in it. It's sure to make your mouth water. It's going to be gooey, cheesy, and crunchy. Everybody's going to fall in love with this dish. Perfect for your Thanksgiving dinner. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my side dish recipes playlist and my previous video, chocolate pecan pie. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your elbow macaroni, your breadcrumbs, and your cheese and sugar, because we're about to bake some macaroni and cheese casserole magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is cook our pasta. I have a large pot of salted water boiling. And we're going to add in 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Give it a quick stir so the pasta doesn't stick. And we're going to let it cook until it's al dente. And be careful not to overcook it because it'll finish cooking in the oven. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking the pasta and I drained it. So now we're going to set it aside while we work on the cheese sauce. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I added in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to make a bechamel sauce. And we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give this a quick whisk. And we're going to cook it for about 2 minutes to get rid of the raw flour taste. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in 3½ cups of hot evaporated milk. Be very careful. And whisk occasionally so that way it won't be lumpy. It's very hot. All right, perfect. Now we're going to let this cook until it's thickened. All right, my friends, our bechamel sauce is nice and thick. That looks great. So now I removed it off the fire and off the stove. Now it's time for the fun part. Time to add in the cheese. We're going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese spread that let come to room temperature, and 8 ounces of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese, two teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use black, and a half a teaspoon each of ground mustard and smoked paprika. Now be careful not to add too much salt because cheese has salt in it. And stir everything together until the cheese is melted. Alright my friends, our cheese sauce is done. Look how creamy that is. Lord have mercy. I'm in cheese heaven. Okay, now we're going to add the cooked pasta into the cheese sauce. And stir this in. This looks so good. All right, my friends, I'm through stirring up my mac and cheese. So now we're ready to layer our casserole. Over here, I have a 9 by 13 inch long baking dish that I lightly grease with butter flavored cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter. So I'm going to take the mac and cheese filling and spoon some on the bottom, like so. Spread it evenly. And over here, I have 2 more cheeses, 8 ounces each of freshly grated Colby Jack and fresh mozzarella. That's right, sugar, fresh mozzarella. Gonna give a great flavor. And just sprinkle it right on top. It's gonna get down in this kitchen. Gonna be cheese delicious. Just sprinkle a heavy handed of cheese. All right. Now we're going to add some more of the mac and cheese filling on top. All right, and now we're going to sprinkle the remaining mozzarella and Colby Jack cheese right on top. Perfect. That looks so good. It's not even baked yet. Now for the final touch. In my bowl, I have a half a cup of Panko breadcrumbs with 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and a 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and stir them together until it's well incorporated. Gonna sprinkle this right on top to give it a crunch. And if you want, you can add some crumbled bacon. My friends, look at this money shot. Doesn't that look beautiful? Look at the breadcrumbs and the cheese. All right, girlfriend, you ready to go into the oven? It's nice and hot and waiting for you. We're gonna put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're gonna let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern macaroni and cheese casserole. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. Look at this beautiful beauty. I want to show y'all the inside. Yeah, baby. All right. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at all that cheese. Mm-mm. Mmm. The pasta, nice and tender. I love that crunch from the Panko breadcrumbs, bursting with cheese. This mac and cheese casserole is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Mac and cheese casserole-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellen'shomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.